We saw the cartoon fish in the front. Carlos had a good point. You're serving fish, and the fish is serving you fish.
Right, and it's the same fish, and it's the same colored fish. So I don't know if
a little cannibalism there.
Yeah, I don't know if he's aware that he's serving it.
It was more of a tired of having a boss kind of thing. let's do this together. We need to be our own bosses. So that was pretty much both of our dreams, just being our own bosses.
Okay, nace la idea porque nosotros somos cristianos y nuestro pastor es un pastor que fomenta el progreso dentro de la congregación. Nos insta a que no nos quedemos donde estamos.
Entonces, Jackson, de nuevo, queremos darte las gracias por confiar en nosotros. Espero que todo te vaya bien. Aquí como compañía te deseamos todo el éxito del mundo.
Ever since I got this started, I haven't been able to sleep because I'm so excited about it.
Oh.
So it's been great. Tony was real great with us. She put up with everything with me the whole way. She was really instrumental in making this a great trailer.
And it was a decision between two, you guys and someone else, and we just liked your all's, just your customer service, the way the trailer was built, just the quality of everything was really nice. Tony, as soon as we walked in, Tony helped us out, took us downstairs, and showed us all the trailers that you guys do, the different sizes, and just how you guys do everything, and it was bar none. You guys did great.